I'm taking that mirror off. Why? Because, fuck, everything else came off. So someone almost did us a favor. I'm going to pop this guy out, and the door doesn't open all the way, but yours should. But let's get that out first. All right, so we had another screw right there. 7 mil and 7 mil. Let's get them out. So as per the usual, you grab from the corner, right? How much light I have in this thing? Grab from the corner, pull, 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 pull. And once you get here, you're gonna come upward. Then we have clip. Squeeze here. You see the little hook come up at you? This little thing. And it's kind of cold out today, so it might be kind of hard with one hand. There you go. Pop it out of the joint. Squeeze. Let's turn on my handy dandy light again. So let me show you this little clip. So this I struggled with, but you need to pick either something like this or something like, just had in my pocket, this. This is probably a little easier. Go right in that little groove, push that little clip. It's easier showing you after the door panel's already off. And then you got this safety. You gotta pull this, unlock it, and push in the center. That is for your switch, which is right there. While I have the door panel off, I'm getting that mirror out. It's all busted. This car's been in sort of an accident, but we're gonna get this off. Perfect example of how to get this mirror off. So, first, now with a fork tool like this, you have a little push pin right here. We want to get that out of our way because that is holding in this whole cover right here. Probably don't have to take this one out, but let me show you the same way with this. Alright, now the rest of it should be just pressure fit. You see? It just pops out. Pops out. Pops out. Pops out. And now let's see what's holding us up here. Another clip? No, let's see. Most of it's pressure. So let's get this. Let's get both hands. One clip right there. Pops in right there. Use the tool right there. So let's get those 310 mils out. Get this mirror off. Another safety. Same thing with this. Pull this out and make it fly over there. If it does fly like this, you can just put it right back in. You see? So that's where it should be, even with the actual spot. But if it goes flying, do you really need it? Whatever. Then you gotta squeeze this, pull this out. Okay, now, car is technically dead and off, but what's holding this in, and if this one falls, it's already broken, but yours should be brand new, and don't break it. This clip right here, see that? You want to squeeze that in with two hands, and then you're gonna catch it. See what I mean? So that should be the part number, and I'll get the link in the description if I could find one of these. And that's what you want to do. You want to squeeze that little wing. I have it in my hand. This guy. So one hand on the yay side, one hand pushing it in, and it'll pop out right in your hand. So let's put it back. This is what I mean. One hand holding it, one hand putting it in, and it'll lock into place. Good? Good. And there's your new broken mirror. Like it? There. I didn't need to show you this. I didn't need to show you that, nor that. But what I'm going to show you is how to put this back. This is all pressure. Sort of weasel its way in under the rubber. You want to go put it back. You see? It lines up under this. You see that little groove it was supposed to go in? That's how you want it to sit. Behind the rubber, push this back in. You see, so you want to just weasel it. Make sure this is snapped back. You see, you want to go up under the rubber. So then you get to this. Everything should be straightforward. See right here? This goes up under. So you want to get a little tool, hook tool, maybe this fork tool, and straighten that out so it sits nicer up against the glass / inside the rubber. That's what you want to do. So, door panel back, come on. Put it back in, smash it, plug before you smash, and like that, smash that like button. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.